I found one local AI application that was 7 times faster than all the others, clocked in at 56 tokens per second. The other local AI tools were stuck around 6 to 8 tokens per second. This is the difference between AI that feels instant and AI that feels frustrating. For about a year now, there's been one question business leaders keep asking over and over. Can we use AI without sending sensitive business data to the cloud? Can we run private, local AI without the internet and without sacrificing performance? The answer is a resounding yes. And we're not just going to talk about it. We're going to go on a hands-on journey to build a completely private, offline, and portable local AI system that pretty much any business can use. If you want practical AI strategy and tips to grow your business, make sure you subscribe. The goal here is simple, but incredibly powerful. We want an AI that lives entirely on your machine, or even on a portable drive you can carry around. Your data never leaves your device. There's no cloud AI, no data sharing, and no internet required. It works anywhere, anytime. This is the promise of local AI for business. It's the core concern for any business that truly values data privacy, intellectual property, and staying compliant with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. So we set out to find a real solution. To get started, we defined a clear mission with strict rules. This wasn't about getting AI to run just for fun. It had to be practical, reliable, and usable for everyday business work. These were our non-negotiables. First, it had to run completely offline, no internet and no cloud connection, period. It needed to work on a standard business laptop, not a high-end machine. The output quality had to be professional. And most importantly, it needed to be simple enough for anyone to use and portable enough to fit on a USB drive. With the challenge defined, we started looking for the perfect plug-and-play local AI solution. The dream was the holy grail of local AI portability. An app you could put on a USB drive, plug into any computer, and instantly have private AI. No installation and no complicated setup. So, we tested the 4 biggest local AI applications. The result was a clear no across the board. None of them are truly portable out of the box. That plug-and-play local AI dream, at least for now, is a myth. Why did they all fail? The culprit is something called absolute paths. These applications hard-code file locations to a specific drive letter, like D drive. When you plug the USB into another computer and it becomes E or F drive, the application breaks because it can't find its own files. Fortunately, there's a simple and reliable workaround. Instead of true plug-and-play, we pivoted to an installer-based approach. You place the application installer, the local AI models, and a short instruction file on the USB drive. Setup takes about 2 minutes, and it works every single time. This discovery leads to a new and important question. Since installation is required anyway, portability is no longer the deciding factor. The new mission becomes clear. Which local AI application delivers the best performance? That brings us to a head-to-head showdown. In one corner, we have Yan, a modern open-source local AI application. In the other corner are GPT-4All, Ollama, and LM Studio. All were tested on the same hardware using the exact same AI model. The results were staggering. We found one local AI application that was 7 times faster than all the others. This wasn't a small improvement. It was a complete game changer. Yan clocked in at 56 tokens per second. The other local AI tools were stuck around 6 to 8 tokens per second. That's a 700% performance increase. So, what do tokens per second actually mean in real business use? Writing a LinkedIn post with Jan takes about 3 seconds. With the other tools, you're waiting closer to 20 seconds. This is the difference between AI that feels instant and AI that feels frustrating. With a clear winner on the application side, The next step was choosing the right AI model. We needed a local AI model that was smart, efficient, and capable of professional business output on a standard laptop. We tested 4 models across business content, code, and strategy tasks. A clear winner emerged. Llama 3.23b, a local AI model, delivered 5-star results across the board with consistent professional quality output. Other models were either too specialized, like Phi 3, which excels at coding, or they lacked the polish required for business use. This leads to an important warning. Bigger AI models are not always better. We tested the larger Llama 8B model, but it exceeded the 4 gigabytes of video memory on our business laptop. That forced it onto the CPU, which made performance unusable. The key takeaway is simple. Always match your local AI model size to your hardware. After all this testing, we arrived at a clear blueprint for building private, offline AI. The ultimate setup is the Jan user interface because of its 7 times speed advantage, paired with the Llama 3.23b model for quality and efficiency. This combination delivers near instant responses with 100% data privacy. Your data never leaves your computer. Here's how to build it yourself. Put the Jan installer and the Llama model file on a USB drive. Add a short text file with instructions. The user installs Jan and points it to the model on the drive. The entire process takes less than 3 minutes. Now let's talk about cost. This local AI setup requires a one-time purchase of a USB drive, roughly $50 total. Cloud AI services can cost businesses anywhere from a few hundred to over $20,000 per year. The savings are massive, but the benefits go beyond cost. You get complete data privacy, no subscriptions, no internet dependency, easier compliance, and no vendor lock-in. You're in full control. A 2 to 3 minute setup is a small price to pay for 7 times performance and complete data privacy. The myth of plug-and-play AI may be busted for now, but the reality is better. That small setup time delivers speed, privacy, and reliability. I've shown you the blueprint. With a tiny investment of time, you can run AI that is fully private, essentially free to operate, and fast enough to feel instant. So the only question left is simple. What will you build with it?